equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and of course, your new Dyson V11 filter. Before starting, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged for safety. First, locate the filter compartment on your Dyson V11. This is typically found at the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the filter cover. Be careful not to strip the screws, as they can be quite tight. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the filter. Take a moment to inspect the old filter for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If it appears heavily soiled, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now, carefully pull the old filter out of its compartment. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any tight spots. Next, take your new filter and insert it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and is seated properly. It's crucial to have a good seal to maintain optimal suction. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After the new filter is in place, it's a good idea to clean the inside of the filter compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure your vacuum operates at peak performance. Now, replace the filter cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is tightly fastened to prevent any air leaks. If you're unsure about the tightness, give it a gentle tug to check. Once everything is back in place, plug your Dyson V11 back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, you're all set. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. In summary, changing the filter on your Dyson V11 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Regular maintenance like this not only extends the life of your vacuum but also ensures a cleaner home environment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. No calls, no travel. We are here to help you with all your Dyson needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.